When I talk about DIY, it simply stands for do it yourself, which essentially means that there are non-technical ways to build a website and a professional website at that. A website which meets the normal standards of a good website altogether and does not require any intervention of coding or from web developers. There are multiple options available. Some of these options I cover in my live program, wherein I share information on 5 such CMS platforms. You can Google CMS platforms and I'm sure you will get a list of these 5 and many more. Now, the beauty of these DIY websites is that they are modular and they can grow as your requirements grow, as your business or your objective grows over a period of time. You can use these to build just a blog or an informational website for getting a job from prospective employers or trying to sell your products and services in a limited manner by adding purchase links to the website, or even build it into a full-fledged e-commerce website. Again, you don't need that hard investment right at the beginning to build your website in a more complete manner right up front. For a do-it-yourself, yes, there will be a short learning curve, but you can keep learning as your website grows, keep hunting for it, keep adding modules, and over a period of time, let's say 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, or maybe 5 years, you can have a full-fledged solution available for your website objective or business as you may need. Hope you liked this. Have a good day.